The world never stops for even a second. Every day, thousands of vessels move across seas and oceans, connecting countries, markets, and millions of people. Any movement requires energy. Just as a car refuels at a gas station along the road, ships refuel at floating stations at sea. For more than 20 years, Translux has been a reliable fuel supplier for vessels of the world's largest companies across multiple regions. The business of Translux can be compared to a global gas station only for ships. Translux purchases fuel wholesale from the world's largest suppliers, such as British Petroleum and Vitol, and sells it with a retail margin of vessels operated by major international companies in different regions. Over decades of operations, the Translux team has conducted business in Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, France, Bahrain, Djibouti, Senegal, and Italy. Relying on 40 years of experience in ship fueling and oil trading, Dmitry Vettori founded Translux in 2005 in the main financial hub of the United Arab Emirates, the DIFC. Dubai International Financial Center is one of the most rigorous and respected financial jurisdictions in the world, operating under English common law and international regulatory standards. Major global financial institutions operate under DIFC regulation, including Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Citi, and others. Translux is one of the first and oldest oil trading companies in the DIFC and renews its license every year, passing strict compliance procedures and financial audits. 20 years ago, when the DIFC itself was only being built, Translux started as a family business in the very best sense of the word. A business where a word is worth more than a contract, and honest partnership is the most valuable asset.
For us, this company was based on responsibility and long-term decisions. We consider that reputation matters much more than actual deals. We built this company on a family principles, honesty, stability, and reliability. In 20 years of existence, we've had not a single litigation and no compliance violations. So this is our history, this is our capital.
Today, Translux is a company with annual turnover of up to $250 million, consistently profitable throughout its history and continuing to expand its geographic presence.
My task is to develop and to expand the business, preserving the principles on which it was built. Strategically, in the coming years, our plan is to take Translux public through an IPO. To meet fuel demand and expansion into a new region, we have chosen AX Exchange and Kazakhstan as our new financial partner. Throughout the company's history, we have used bank financing, which has reached up to $60 million. Now, we're building Translux's story through public instruments, preparing for an IPO.
Demand for marine fuel is growing at an average rate of 15% per year. Along with it, the role of reliable fuel suppliers continues to grow. The listing of Translux on the AIX exchange, one of the oldest oil trading companies from the United Arab Emirates operating in the DIFC, is becoming a historic event for Kazakhstan's financial market. The story of Translux, which began 20 years ago in Dubai, is now continuing in Kazakhstan as a major international company, while the bond issuance helps Kazakhstan present itself to other nations on the global financial stage. Today, you can become part of this history.